Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be talking about some of the best free AI websites that you can use in 2023. Whether you're a developer, a business owner, or just someone who is curious about the latest technology, these sites are sure to impress. So let's get started. Our first pick is ChatGPT, an AI language model developed by OpenAI. It is a powerful tool for understanding and generating human-like text. ChatGPT is available for free on the OpenAI website. With it, you can train your own language model or use pre-trained models for a variety of tasks, such as answering questions, writing essays, or even creating poetry. One of the best things about ChatGPT is its flexibility. You can use it for all types of use cases, from chatbot development to language translation. To give you an idea of its capabilities, let's run a quick demonstration. As you can see, ChatGPT is able to understand and respond to questions in a human-like manner. And it can also generate text in a variety of styles and formats. It's a great tool for anyone looking to create their own chatbot or improve their language processing abilities. SpeechFight. Another great free AI site is SpeechFight, a web-based platform that can convert text to speech. SpeechFight is perfect for creating podcasts, videos, and other audio content. You can use it to convert written text to spoken words, using a variety of voices and languages. It also offers features like changing the speech, pitch, and volume of the speech, which makes it a useful tool for creating personalized audio content. Let's take a look at demonstration of SpeechFight in action.
Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about one of the most popular topics on the internet, how to make money online.
Whether you're a student looking to earn some extra cash, a stay-at-home parent wanting to contribute to the family finances, or just someone who wants to start a side hustle, there are plenty of ways to make money on the internet. In this video,
as you can hear, the speech generated by SpeechFight is natural and realistic, making it a great tool for creating all types of audio content. Removepg. Our final pick is Removepg, a website that uses AI to remove the background from images. Removepg is a simple yet powerful tool that can be used to remove backgrounds from images in just a few seconds. It's perfect for creating transparent PNGs, removing distracting backgrounds and more. It's easy to use and results are impressive. You can use it for free with a limitation of few images per month. Let's take a look at a demonstration of Removepg in action. As you can see, the background has been removed seamlessly and the subject of the image stands out clearly. This makes Removepg a great tool for professionals in fields such as graphic design, photography, and e-commerce. So there you have it, the best free AI websites that you can use in 2023. We hope you found this video informative and you've learned something new. These sites offer a wide range of capabilities and can be used for many different purposes. So be sure to check them out and see how they can help you in your work and projects. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more interesting content. We'll see you next time.